Today, I am giving you a tour of 12578 West Candelaria Drive in Sun City West, Arizona. By the end of this video, I hope you'll know whether this is a place you'd want to call home. Service Star Realty has been doing property management in Sun City West, Arizona since we opened our doors in 2011. We strive to be the best property management company in Sun City West. Welcome to this beautiful 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom home that perfectly blends modern style with everyday comfort. Located in the highly rated Peoria School District, this home offers both convenience and quality living in one of the area's most desirable locations. Step into the heart of the home, a stunning kitchen with sleek stainless steel appliances, stylish pendant lighting, and generous counter space, ideal for cooking, hosting, or casual meals. All appliances are included, making your move easy and stress-free. Outside, enjoy your own private backyard oasis. A covered patio, lush grass landscaping, and extended pavers create the perfect space for relaxing, dining outdoors, or entertaining guests. Here we have the internal laundry with a washer and dryer for added convenience. As you can see, ceiling fans are thoughtfully placed throughout the home to ensure year-round comfort. This home is available, and if you are interested in making this your home, please visit us at our website, leaseaz.com. You can view more photos of this home, make an appointment to view it at your own convenience, and you can apply for this home as well. Again, that's leaseaz.com. This home combines thoughtful upgrades, modern finishes, and move-in ready convenience, all in a well-established neighborhood with access to great schools, shopping, and more. And finally, here is the spacious primary suite, which offers a luxurious walk-in shower and a large walk-in closet. Schedule your tour today and come see what makes this home such a standout opportunity.